progressing column method to decimals now. What's really important before you start is, as per previous videos, let's make sure we understand our column method. Sorry, our place value, units and tens here. I've only got a unit here. Then I have 1/10 here, and then I have tenths, hundredths. Okay, so could argue it's a little bit easier when you have decimals. I'm going to start by putting the larger number at the top. 76 point is going to go on my line. You can use a square if you want to. 2. Now, as I've mentioned on other videos where you've looked at a bus stop, it's the same here with column method. Whenever you're dealing with decimals, the most important part is you line the decimal up before you start, and then that should sort out the rest of your digits for you. Okay, so as you can see, we already know this was 8 units and this was 6 units, so they should line up there anyway. But if you focus on lining up the decimal point, that should sort the rest out for you. So as we explained earlier, we need to fill out any missing gaps with zeros. Put 0 there and 0 there, and off we go. So 0 add 3 is 3, nice and easy. 2 add 7 is 9. 6 add 8 is going to give me 14, carry the 1, and then 7 add nothing, add 1 gives me 8. So that's my answer, 84.93. The most crucial part here is line up the decimal point, okay? Okay, so I've already gone ahead here and put in my place value before I started. Remember that decimal point is really, really important. So before I start, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line up 3 decimal points. So that's the key thing to remember here. I'm going to put my larger number on top, but again, with addition, it doesn't really matter. So 163.89, and then I'm going to line this up below. So there's my decimal. So obviously the 9 must go here, the 8 must go here, and the 7 must go here. Okay. And I'm going to finish off my column method. And any missing spaces you can fill in with zeros. It is going to be really important here. Not necessarily here on the end, but my advice would be stay in good habits and include the zeros. Okay, and then we're going to add them up. 9 add nothing is obviously 9. 8 add 7 is going to give me 16. So I put a 6 there and I just carry the 1 over. So although that decimal point is there, it doesn't affect the carrying. It's the same method. So just carry it over. Then 3 add 9 is 12, add the 1 is 13, carry the 1. 6 add 8 is 14, add the 1 is 15, and then carry the 1. And then last but not least, 1 add nothing is 1, add the missing 1 at the end gives me 2. 253.69.